Hi there, this is our KPC-30. Very good quality Japanese machine. This particular one, they come out with either the 8,000 or 15,000 RPM spindle. This one's got the 15,000 RPM spindle on it. Someone's fitted a through spindle coolant system on it at some stage. The pump's missing off it, but the rest of the system's all there ready to go. It's got the side wash coming in, and then a external chip conveyor that goes out the back. We've just got a simple program to run for you, and we'll start that now. The spindle speed when it kicks off is 8,000. I've got those rapids just set at 50% on that at the moment. So there it is. The only thing that I didn't mention was it's got a spindle coolant as well, an oil spindle coolant system. So there it is, it's all set to go.